Welcome to Tabata. Are you ready? You're already warmed up. Core in tight. March as fast as you can. Slight bend in your knees. Core is in tight. Shoulders are back down away from your ears. Welcome to Tabata. Go, go, go. Health bounce. Hold on to your T-bar whenever you need to. That's what it's there for. 4, 3, 2, 1. Smile on your face. Slight bend in their knees. You're not locked out. Go, go, go as fast as you can. Health bounce. Core in tight, shoulders back and down. I'm going to keep reminding you. Go again. Fast as you can. As safe as you can. If you need to hold on to that bar, you hold on to that bar. Go, go, go. Flat feet pushing down into the mat. Solid, quiet mat on this beautiful rebounder. Catch your breath. Go. Your pace. Tabata is an incredible way to get your fitness in. Oh, core in tight. Health bounce. You could put your phone here. Very convenient. Go. Yes, you can. Beginners, we are at all different levels. You against you. Woo! Health bounce here. Almost there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Yes! Oh yeah! 2 more Tabatas. Yes, you can.
Round 7. 3, 2,
go.
1, go!
Can you pick it up a little bit? Can you go a little bit faster? Only you know your body. I don't know your body. But if you can push it a little bit more, give it to me. But safety first. Yeah? Health bounce here. Your stability bar, T-bar, is here for you. Go! This is what it looks like if you're holding on to it. If not, you've got upper active body here in your Tabatas. Yes! 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. You just did a Tabata workout. Woo! Shift the weight here. Congratulations on doing that Tabata with me. So much fun. Big bang for the time. 8 rounds of Tabata with a health bounce in the middle. You could do this Tabata jogging. You can do marching in place. The jogging, you can do jacks. You can up this or push it back or pull it back rather to any degree for a Tabata. As long as you keep your body moving. That's what it's all about. Your level, your way, it's your workout. If something doesn't work for you that you see me doing, you modify it as such. You are on an unsteady surface, so you're gonna get a kick butt workout no matter what level you are at. So this beautiful rebounder, the description is in the link below. I am absolutely in love with it. It has all the bells and whistles. It has a very solid, quiet bounce. The T-bar is adjustable. It comes off completely if you don't want it. The skirt is perfect. The feet make me feel extremely safe and stable, and it's super quiet to boot. And it has this cute, adorable phone. You can do your workout with Kate right here on the phone. How cool is that? So cool down and stretch on your own. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.